Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect Postgres with N8n. So let's get started. First, head over to N8n. If you already have an account, simply sign in with your credentials. If you're new, don't worry, the sign-up process is simple and only requires an email and password. Once you're logged in, go to your N8n dashboard. Look for the option with a plus icon that allows you to create a new workflow. Click on it to begin. In the search bar, type Postgres. From the results, select Postgres to continue. This will take you to the Actions page, where you can choose the task you'd like Postgres to perform, such as retrieving, updating, or deleting data. After selecting your action, the next step is to configure credentials. These are essential for authorizing and securing the connection to your Postgres database. Click on the Credential menu, then select Create New Credential. You'll now need to provide the following details. First, host your server's address, then database the name of the Postgres database you want to connect. After that, your database username, and password your database password. Double-check these fields carefully to avoid errors. Once everything is filled in, click Save. N8n will then attempt to connect to your Postgres database using the credentials you entered. If everything is correct, the connection will be established successfully. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.